think there is nothing more painful than being left with no explanation. So, I will ask her, why? Why did you leave us? Bakit kailangan madamay kami? Bakit mo dinayasan yung papa ko, tapos kailangan nadamay pa kami? Parang we deserve to grow up with a mother. So it's a big why.
Okay.
Bakit?
Anong gusto mo ring sabihin sa dad mo?
I don't think words can cure a situation like that. Nasa sa kanya yun eh. How he's gonna survive that heartbreak and that situation. Pero siguro,
But being the eldest daughter,
just parang iparamdam sa kanya na parang hindi siya nawalan ng taong mag-aalaga sa kanya. Presence.
okay.
Siguro malaking bagay yung alam niyang nandyan lang yung mga anak niya para sa kanya.
Okay.
Siguro doon na siya nakakuha ng lakas and joy.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, so sino? Kate?